We have received another phone from Xiaomi, and this time it's the brand new Redmi 10. And I heard that this camera is pretty good and pretty solid. So how about let's open it. So hi guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So we can see the box is very familiar, similar to those Redmi release from the Redmi 9 and the Redmi Note 10 Pro. The box is very simple, very plain. All you can see is the phone and of course the design at the back of this phone. And I got here is the white color with a 6 gig of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. So of course, I love to open it up just for you here on my channel. So you can see that it's powered by Redmi. And upon opening, you have the SIM ejector tool. You got a couple of manuals here. You got a quite thick jelly case over here, which seems solid for me. Then we have the Redmi 10, and I can say that it looks a lot different compared to the Redmi 9 last year, and it has stepped up a lot. And this one is very notable, and this is only available last year on the Redmi Note 9S, not available on the Redmi 9. This I'm saying is of course the power button / fingerprint scanner. We can see clearly here it's a 50 MP camera, and yeah, I know that this is a budget king, but wow, the camera is that of a mid-range level at 50 MP. So I have high expectation for this camera, and definitely you can see that the matte finish at the back is very nice. It's no longer a fingerprint magnet. So let's take a quick tour. So we have the loudspeaker at the bottom, Type-C charging port, and of course your microphone in. Then at the side, definitely you have your fingerprint scanner / power button, which is a flat one. It's the one I love. And of course your volume rocker. On top, we also have another speaker, which makes it a stereo speaker. Also probably another first on the budget king. And definitely you have your IR noise cancelling mic, and of course your 3.5mm audio jack. On the other side, definitely it's your SIM tray. Let's just see what's inside. So yeah, upon ejecting, you can see that we can host 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card. And if you ask me if this is a 4G capable phone, yes it is. It's still not yet 5G. And let's take a quick look. Swiping left and right is quite smooth. And let's see if we have a refresh rate of higher than 60. And yes, I can say that the budget king has a 90 Hz screen refresh rate. I mean, wow. I mean, you have a 50 MP camera, 90 Hz of screen refresh rate, and a side fingerprint scanner. What more can I ask for on this phone? It's definitely something that I look forward to on this budget king. Now, let's take some quick look at some camera shots that I've taken. And of course a 22.5 watts charging brick. So guys, if you want to know more about this ultra budget king, the Redmi 10, it has a lot of beefy specs inside. Do tune on. So guys, if you want to know more about this ultra budget phone, the Redmi 10, for me it's a lot of beefy specs inside. Do stay tuned for my full review of this phone. And I'm Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?